Today I'm going to talk about crepe myrtles, specifically how to get rid of suckers around the base of a crepe myrtle. Now crepe myrtles naturally out in the wild would grow as large shrubs. We like to limb them up like this one, but sometimes that'll cause suckers to shoot out from the base. I'm going to show you how to get rid of them. Okay, so we're at the base of the tree and you can see these are the suckers that I'm talking about. If I were to let these go, they would get really big and try and form that shrub look that I mentioned earlier. This tree I actually did last year. I did a video on it. You should go back and look at it. These suckers were way up here. They were like 3-4 feet tall. I really had to get into this to really get it kind of eliminated. And you can see not many have come back, and we want to get them while they're young like this. Now in that video, I used some bigger tools to kind of really get them down deep, and it worked really, really well. This time I might only use a pruning saw, hand pruners, or loppers to get them as deep as I possibly can so they don't come back in the future. Okay, so for some of these smaller ones, I like to use my hand pruners. Just try and get down there as deep as I possibly can. I'm gonna use my lopping shears, especially for the thicker stuff, because I can get a lot of torque on it and really get down deep. So I got this big thicket here and I'm just gonna go after it. Try and really clear out as much as I possibly can. Okay, so you can see here this kind of top surface root, and all of these shoots are coming off of these roots that are really low, just below the surface. And so if we can really get in and eliminate some of this. Crepe myrtles have a very, very aggressive, very strong root system. So we don't have to worry about hurting the tree at all. We're just trying to get this as low as we possibly can. We've eliminated a lot of them from last year, but we're gonna try and get it even lower this year. So that's what we're looking to do, is try and get these lower, just below surface roots that are sending up these suckers. Getting rid of those will eliminate future suckers for sure. So this is a folding saw. I like folding saws a lot. They do help get through some of the bigger stuff, but it also helps just get through some of the smaller kind of surface stuff too. So you might find this a handy tool. So as you can see, in about less than 5 minutes, I was able to clear away all of the suckers from around this crepe myrtle using some of those handy tools. The best thing that you can do is get them while they're small, stay after it. Year over year, every year, you're gonna see less and less of them. That's how you control the suckers on your crepe myrtles. If you enjoy these videos, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.